Okay, so we will take a look at how to add SoundCloud player into your WordPress page or post using Elementor widget. So we log into WordPress, then go to the page where we wish to add that widget. So let's go to the page, edit that page with Elementor. Okay, now here in the page you will find this general widgets, and then you have SoundCloud. Simply drop it on page, and here you have to give the link to the track. So let's see, by default it adds one such. Let me find one for myself here. Okay, so psychedelic transit, let me paste that here. Okay, I can choose to display visual player. I can click on yes, right? Then visual player will look something like this. I can click no and it will resize itself to small player like this. Okay, so here I can remove buy now, then also download and like. I can also disable comments. Okay, right? Rest of the thing I can keep it as is, right? And also you can use control color, you can change that, and there are advanced settings that you have with any other widget also exist, like background, border, responsive, hide or display. So we will get back here to SoundCloud link and see all the settings that we have enabled, and then click on update. Now we will preview this change on our page. So in sandbox page you can see SoundCloud is now added. So you get the idea how to embed SoundCloud player on your WordPress page or post with Elementor.